To create an organizational chart in PowerPoint, follow these steps. Insert the content of your organization chart into a text box. Press the Tab button and adjust accordingly. Select All, right-click, and choose Convert to SmartArt from the context menu. Select the type of organization chart that best fits your needs. Adjust and edit text in the text pane on the left side of the organizational chart. Go to the Layouts option and choose the layout that suits your content. Select Change Colors to pick a color theme. Under SmartArt Styles, choose a style that enhances the visual appeal of your chart. You have now successfully created an organization chart in PowerPoint.